everybody, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. On this hotel location, nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and packages, etc. 2. Category 2. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Please follow the description link. If you are channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel.